Hello, my name is Zoltán Sárkány. I'm a product manager at Siemens Simcenter Micred, responsible for the thermal testing hardware products. Our portfolio is based on the unique thermal transient testing measurement technology, which can be used to characterize thermal performance of packaged semiconductor device all the way from the chip to its cooling environment, inside and outside of the package as well. The collected data can be used to extract standard thermal metrics like junction to ambient, junction to case, junction to board thermal resistance, but its unique high accuracy allows comparing different design variants, different material choices or structures, and its high fidelity even allows us to use it to fine-tune simulation models even in 3D space. The system was designed for high scalability, flexibility, and integration capability. In terms of scalability, the system supports custom configurations. The user, together with Siemens engineers, can find the best configuration that fits to their testing needs. The main system itself is responsible for the data collection, which can be extended with various powering modules, either as plug-in unit or as extension modules, to handle higher power or higher voltage, higher current applications. The second benefit is the flexibility. The system can be controlled with a web-based user interface, which facilitates easy execution of simple measurement tasks, but provides full control of the system parameters and setups for advanced users. The third is the integration capability. Beyond the web-based interface, the system provides an API. This can be used to integrate the system into user-specific workflows as well. With the booming growth of AI, using high-power ICs is more important than ever. The required high-power GPUs and application-specific AI accelerators can often reach large chip sizes up to several hundreds of square millimeters. These large chip sizes require special powering, which can be provided with this new module for high-fidelity measurement. The other important application area is GaN devices. GaN devices are not just a new material, but a new device structure as well, which bring new challenges too, including the low channel resistance. In order to power devices with low channel resistance, you need the high current provided by this module to achieve high resolution. To sum up, a new high-power sensing current generator can further contribute to the scalability of our Simcenter Twister SI system to high-power IC and GaN testing applications. Thank you for watching.